As a cloud service, Google Docs makes tasks like collaborative editing a piece of cake. One downside though, reopening your document to find that it's completely unrecognizable. Luckily enough, looking through previous versions and edits is made super simple if you know where to look. So if you need to look through to check all the edits made, when, and who exactly made them, here's how you can do it. To start, head to docs.google.com and sign into your Google account if you aren't already signed in. Once it loads, open the Google Doc in question. At the top of the page, next to Help, you'll see a line informing you when your document was last edited. Just give it a click, and you'll see your document's entire edit history. You'll be shown all the latest edits made up to the last saved version of your document. You'll see the number of total edits at the top right corner, and you can go through them individually by clicking on the arrows next to it. You can click through previously saved versions of your documents in chronological order on the version history menu to the right. If you need a previous version of your document, find the version that you need, then click on the triple dotted icon that appears on the menu entry. From here, you can opt to restore your selected version of the document by selecting Restore this version. This will restore your selected version and move it to the top of the version history menu. If you need an independent copy separate from the current version, select Make a Copy. You'll then be prompted to name the file and select where to save it. Choose whether you want to share your copy with the same people the original was shared with, then click OK. If you just need to mark when your selected version was created or heavily edited, select Name this version. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Google Docs and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of the videos we think you might enjoy.